my classmate. Today I am going to talk about article. It is part of our project. The article name is Solution to Obesity, Perspective from the Food Industry. As we know, obesity need all sectors in the community to work together to help to fix this problem. Obesity is not easy problem. Is a serious health problem, especially in the United States. The article talk in general about obesity, but focus on food industry and the consumer, the relationship between the consumer and the food industry, and how can they affect with each other. As we know, obesity is a serious health problem in the United States, and this article mentions some statistics about the large number of deaths in the United States, approximately 400,000 per year, and more than 65 of Americans overweight or obese. So I think this is a complicated problem, and every sector in the community try to help this problem, and there are many perspectives about this. If I focus on food industry try to take care about the consumer. Because they know the consumer concerned about the good nutrition for products, about the price, about the quality, and this food industry try to confirm what the consumer requirement. The rule for why they focus on the consumer, because they think the consumer can make individualized choices about the food and lifestyle. Then the food industry cannot work alone. Many sectors work with the food industry, like the government and healthcare. The rule for the food industry, they try to help the consumers by providing them with reliable information on the product, and they work with also restaurants to offer the relevant information about the product, to give this reliable information for consumers. They also try to know what the consumer needs, what the products the consumer will accept. So there are many companies try to do it. One company, it's called Health Product Choice Line, began in 1988, try to provide the consumers with health food. From that time until now, they offer them 200 healthy products for the consumer. So this is the rule for the food industry. Food industry try also to work with the government. So what is the role for the government? Government try to support this idea, and they try to support the food technology, the machine to make the food. They also try to educate consumer about the health choices and work together. This is the role for the government. Food industry also work with the healthcare professional, because why they work with healthcare professional? They think that consumers will trust the medical society about the information they will provide the consumers. Then by this some statistics, the food industry work with the medical community to focus on this target. So the consumer, because the food industry know that consumer is concerned about the nutrition of the nutritional food and the nutritional value of the healthy food, they try to work together to solve this problem. So I think this article is, I chose this article because it talk about my project, and I will use some information from this article to put it in my project. Also, I think it talks about different sectors in the community, and as we know or read or searched about the obesity, we find the best solution, for my opinion, that all of the sectors in the community work together. Also, this article has it can be a relevant source. It has a reliable statistic about the obese people and overweight, and give one solution for to deal with the serious health problem